I love you, boy Buang. Boy Buang. In the rest of my life, you mean everything to me in this life. Whether it is short or long, you are my everything. I love you.
For today's video, i-challenge natin yung girlfriend ko na mag-shoutout siya ng Boy Buang sa vlog ko. Mag-shoutout siya na I love you, Boy Buang. I-challenge ko siya ngayon. What's out? Ito na nga no, nag-chat ako sa kanya kanina na my love, I have a favor. So ito ang reply niya, which favor? Can you video yourself and tell my name that you love me? Prove to me. Cause I will upload on my blog. So there is it. Ako nang kuan, isuda pag in English oy. Kuan nang gi-chatan siya nga mag-shoutout siya, una yang shoutout, then una yang unang kuan istorya.
You mean everything in my life. Nothing will stop me to love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I will not stop to love you. I love you very much.
Yun, tapos wala kasing pangalan na Boy Buang, kaya pinilit ko talaga siya na sabihin yung pangalan niya na Boy Buang. Tell my name, Boy Buang. Speak louder, my name, my love. So ito na nga. Inulit na naman niya.
I love you so much. From the bottom of my heart, nothing will stop me from loving.
So ayun na nga. Ito yung last. Nagalit na siya. Sinabi niya, now you heard me. So ito na nga.
I love you. I love you, Boy Buang. In the rest of my life, you mean everything to me in this. I love you, Boy Buang. In the rest of my life, you mean everything to me in this life. Whether it is short or long, you are my everything. I love you.